We're still at the SCMA show and we're with Hector Guadalupe. You have got to see this because it's cool, guys. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel and yet another installment of Now That's Cool. By now, I think everybody knows that when it comes to classic rods and classic cars, I love the 40 Ford Coupe sedan delivery, the AMT to be specific, but I want to share one with you today that's a monogram kit, and it's been around a long time. As you see here, one of the original box arts. This is in 1/24th scale, and it's the 40 Ford pickup truck. And here's a look at the old instruction sheet. And another of the original issues was this slot car. In fact, the instructions we just looked at were from that version, but it's the same kit. And over the years, this has been reissued, monogram, later Revell monogram, and then Revell. So it's been around a long time, and it is a classic kit. You have opening doors, hood, just a really cool pickup of a really classic era. And again, it's a 40 Ford. But a lot of different box arts, as you see here, but just cool nonetheless. And to be quite honest with you, this is not an easy kit. In fact, it's a pretty rough kit. Keeping the doors closed, getting the hood to line up, really not a great kit, to be honest with you. But we have a master modeler that took this on that did an outstanding and downright gorgeous job. And guys, I got to share it with you. It's from a dear friend and a master modeler, Hector Guadalupe. So let's get over to it. Guys, a quick apology up front to you guys and to Hector. When I was filming this, I asked Hector to tell us about the car, and then I moved the camera and the audio mic to his left and down to video the car. And when I did that, between the background noise and him being so far away from me, you really can't hear what he's saying about the car. So I talked to him, and I'm going to voice over and give you what he had to say about the car. Nonetheless, you've got to see it because it's cool. This work of art is painted in Tamiya copper, and it is hand rubbed out and is just slick as glass. It is a gorgeous paint job, and I actually love this color. The grill has been modified from the stock. I would have never thought of doing this, but man, did it turn out great. It's the Model Car Garage Photo Etch 40 Ford grill that has been modified to fit in on the inside of the kit grill. He's totally reworked the interior. Lots of wood grain in there. The dash, the steering wheel, the shifter knob. There's a Detail Master radio on the dash with a CD popped out of it. I love it. Custom tail lights, the wheels, tires, calipers, rotors, all of that are 3D printed. And man, they are perfect for this car. And I love the stance. This thing just really is something. Detail Master Photo Etch radiator screens. When you look through that radiator, you'll see them. And man, they really turn out good. I love those things. You know that I use those quite a bit myself. The engine is a Iceman Collections classic flathead, and man, it is really sharp too, and just fits this bill. I love the battery and the extra detail. Like I said at the end of the video, there are plenty of stills that you'll get a close-up of some of these things, but this is just, like as I said in the opening, it's not that great a kit, but when you get the right modeler doing it, he killed it, man, big time. Expertly done, this engine and everything. The bed is just absolutely beautiful as well. But guys, take a look at these stills, and we'll wrap it up with some music. Hector, thank you, buddy. Love you, man. Appreciate you sharing it with us.